Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the greens in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app it usually opens up in the gallery. In the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Then we wait a little bit until it loads and find the color option in the bottom bar. After tapping on the color, in the top right corner of the little pop-up, we find mix. Here in mix, we find the green little circle, tap on it, and then we have multiple options. We can edit the hue of it. If we move it to the left, then the greens in our picture are going to become a bit yellowish. And if we move it to the right, then the greens are going to become a bit light bluish, green bluish. I'm not sure what that color is called. Then we can edit the saturation, how rich or how poor it is, how close to gray it is. Then we can edit the luminance, and in the bottom slider, how dark or how light the greens are in our picture. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.